Bloating can be uncomfortable and distressing, often leaving you feeling heavy and self-conscious. Fortunately, there are certain foods that can help reduce bloating and promote a flatter stomach. Here are 7 top foods that can aid in achieving a bloat-free belly. 1. Ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and has been used for centuries to treat digestive issues. It contains compounds like gingerol and shogaol, which help relax the muscles in your gastrointestinal tract, reducing gas and bloating. You can add fresh ginger to your tea, smoothies, or meals to reap its benefits. 2. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate fluid balance in the body. Consuming foods high in potassium can counteract the effects of sodium, which is a common cause of bloating. Bananas also contain soluble fiber, which aids in digestion and prevents constipation, another common cause of bloating. 3. Yogurt. Yogurt, especially the varieties that contain live probiotics, can be highly beneficial for your digestive system. Probiotics are good bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut flora, reducing gas production and bloating. Opt for plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid added sugars that can contribute to bloating. 4. Peppermint. Peppermint has soothing properties that can help relax the gastrointestinal tract muscles, reducing bloating and discomfort. Peppermint tea is an excellent way to consume this herb, and it can be particularly effective after meals. Alternatively, you can also find peppermint oil supplements, but it's best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting a new supplement regimen. 5. Cucumbers. Cucumbers have a high water content, which helps keep you hydrated and flush out excess fluids from your body. They also contain quercetin, a flavonoid with anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce swelling and bloating. Add cucumbers to your salads, or enjoy them as a refreshing snack. 6. Asparagus. Asparagus acts as a natural diuretic, helping to expel excess water and reduce bloating. It also contains prebiotics, which promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut, aiding in digestion. Steaming or grilling asparagus are great ways to incorporate this vegetable into your diet. 7. Fennel. Fennel and its seeds have been used traditionally to treat digestive problems. Fennel contains anethole, a compound that relaxes the gastrointestinal muscles, reducing bloating and gas. You can chew on fennel seeds after meals or brew fennel tea for a calming digestive aid. Tips for reducing bloating. In addition to incorporating these foods into your diet, here are some tips to help reduce bloating. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain fluid balance and prevents water retention. 2. Eat smaller meals. Consuming smaller, more frequent meals can ease the digestive process and prevent bloating. 3. Avoid carbonated drinks. The bubbles in these drinks can cause gas to build up in your stomach. 4. Limit high-fiber foods. While fiber is essential for digestion, too much can cause gas and bloating. Gradually increase your fiber intake to allow your body to adjust. By making these dietary adjustments and incorporating these bloat-reducing foods into your routine, you can achieve a flatter, more comfortable stomach. Remember, everyone's body is different, so it's important to find what works best for you and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any ongoing digestive concerns.